Welcome to our guide on uploading full HD videos to TikTok. Ready to elevate your content? First, ensure your video is in full HD, ideally 1080p or higher. Clarity is key. Next, open the TikTok app. Tap the plus button at the bottom of your screen. Select Upload and find your HD video from your gallery. Easy, right? Once selected, you can trim, add effects, or music. Make it unique! Finally, tap Post to share your stunning HD creation with the world. Use trending hashtags to boost visibility. Make those tags count. Post at optimal times. Check when your audience is most active. Engage with comments on your video. Build a community. Stay consistent. Regular uploads keep your audience hooked. Lastly, have fun. Your excitement will resonate with viewers. Congratulations! You're now ready to upload in full HD. Happy TikToking!